Hello y'all, welcome back. So, today we're going to do part 2 of finding slope. And then, on the next video we'll do slope and y-intercept. So, let me remind you what we did on the first video. So, sorry for my camera. There we go. So first, we talked about the lines. This line that is horizontal from here to here, this is a zero slope. This line that goes up, down, left to right is a negative slope. This line that goes up and down or down and up is undefined slope. And lastly, number 4, the line that goes up, left to right is a positive slope. So there are 4 types of lines you might encounter. Now, we're going to, as you can see, last video I solved all of these three. Now we're going to solve the last 3. Well, I'm going to solve them basically. So, I hope you can see it. I'm going to try to, there we go. I hope my camera doesn't fall, and as I said on the other video, I'm sorry if it does. I'm using my phone again on paper, so remember, we're going to use the same technique I told you the first time, and sorry if my hand blocked. So, you are going to do x over y, x over y. And it's okay, if you need to understand this at your own pace, you can do it. You don't have to rush. Everybody makes mistakes. So, as I said, I'm going to write the formula. Give me a second, let me lift this up. So I'm going to write the formula here. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And I'm sorry, as I said, if my hand is blocking, but here's the formula. I'm going to, for you guys to see it, I'm going to zoom it in so you can see how am I going to solve the problem. So, as I said, we have the formula y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1. So we're going to take y2. I'm going to use a shape. I'm going to use a rectangle. So y2 is going to be 1 minus, then I'm going to do y1, which is going to be number 4. And if my camera is not focusing right, just give it a second, because since my hand is close, it might unfocus, but it'll focus once my hand gets off. So, we have y1, which is minus negative 4, over, we have x2, which is number 5, as I told you. There we go. We have x2, which is number 5, so 5 minus x1 minus negative 3. And as I said, for 8th graders, you can plug this into the calculator you have, and you'll get the answer. I'm going to plug it into my calculator, to the one I have. Give me a second. And we are going to put this problem, 1 minus negative 4, and then 1 minus negative 4, and then 5 minus negative 3. Okay, I'm going to, give me a second and I'll come back with the answer. Okay, so now I found the answer. So, your answer in fraction is going to be 5/8. And this might be the simplest form your calculator may find it. And as I said, everybody makes mistakes, so if I'm wrong, please tell me, or you can solve it on your own. Now I'm going to zoom out. Give me a second. Okay, I'm back. I needed to adjust my camera, but now we're going to solve problem number 5. 5, 7, and negative 2, negative 3. So, I'm going to label it again, x, y, x, y. And as I said, sorry if my hand bothers it, but I'm going to write the formula, which is going to be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So here's the formula, as I said, that we're going to use as always. So we're going to start with y2. I'm going to use a sort of triangle. So I'm going to use negative 3 minus the first y here minus 7. Sorry if my flash turned off. Apparently I'm on low battery. This, and then we're going to do the x2. I'm going to do a circle. Negative 2 minus x1, 5. Now I'll be right back with the answer. So the answer is going to be 10 over 7, and apparently this number is already reduced. If not, if I'm wrong, as I said, you can type it in the comments, email me, or you can solve it by yourself. Now we're going to do the last one. Let me zoom in on this one. There we go. And let's solve. So we have negative 2, 3, and 8, 3. So, as again, we're going to label x, y, x, y. And as again, we're going to do the formula. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So, now we're going to do y2. I'm going to use a rectangle again. So 3 minus y1, 3. And then x2, 8 minus x1, negative 2. And as I said, I'll be right back with the answer. Okay, I found the answer, and doing this is a 0. So this is going to be a 0 slope. Okay, if you have any questions, please make sure to type it in the comments section, or you can email me. My email will be linked on the description. And thanks so much, and have a good day. Bye, y'all. Peace.